Feeling sluggish? Is your energy dragging? We've all been there. It's time to hit the reset button. How, you ask? Green juice is the answer. This isn't about deprivation or crazy diets. It's about giving your body a break. Imagine flooding your system with vitamins and minerals. That's the power of green juice. We're talking about a natural energy boost, improved digestion, even glowing skin. And the best part? It tastes amazing. Green juice is more than just a trend. It's a delicious way to invest in your health. Ready to feel fantastic? Let's get juicing! Green juice is popping up everywhere, becoming a staple in the wellness community. From health food stores to your favorite celebrity Instagram feeds, it's hard to miss. But what's the big deal? Why is everyone so obsessed with this vibrant drink? Think of it as a supercharged salad in a glass packed with nutrients. We're talking leafy greens, fruits, and veggies, all blended into a delicious, nutrient-dense drink. This isn't about replacing meals or going on a liquid diet. It's about supplementing a balanced diet with an extra boost of vitamins and minerals. Green juice is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for your health. These antioxidants help protect your body from harmful free radicals and toxins. It's like giving your insides a powerful shield, boosting your immune system. Plus, it's a fantastic way to sneak in those veggies you might not love eating whole, making it easier to get your daily intake. Who knew healthy could be so tasty? With the right mix, green juice can be a delightful addition to your routine. Ready to get blending? Let's dive into the world of delicious and nutritious green juices that are perfect for boosting your health and energy levels. These easy recipes are perfect for beginners. You don't need to be a professional chef to whip up these tasty drinks. No fancy equipment needed, just your regular blender will do. It's all about simplicity and convenience. Let's start with the green glow-up juice. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach asterisk, half a cucumber, 1 green apple cored and ready to go, half an inch of ginger sliced thinly for that extra zing, juice of half a lemon to add a refreshing citrus kick. Step 1. Wash and chop all your ingredients thoroughly. Clean ingredients make for a cleaner juice. Step 2. Add everything to your blender. Make sure to pack it all in for maximum flavor. Step 3. Blend until smooth. If the mixture is too thick, add a bit of water to reach your desired consistency. Step 4. Pour into a glass and enjoy your vibrant, nutrient-packed green juice. Next up, we have the tropical detox juice. For this, you'll need 1 cup of kale washed and chopped, half a cup of fresh pineapple chunks asterisk, half a banana sliced, and half a cup of coconut water for a hydrating tropical twist. Step 1. Wash and chop the kale. Make sure it's clean and ready to blend. Step 2. Combine all ingredients in the blender. Step 3. Blend until smooth, ensuring all the flavors meld together perfectly. Step 4. Pour into a glass. This recipe is naturally sweet and refreshing, perfect for a quick detox and energy boost. Section 4. Power-packed ingredients, unlocking nature's pharmacy. In this section, we delve into the incredible benefits of nature's finest ingredients, each one a powerhouse of nutrition and health. Let's break down the goodness in these recipes. Each ingredient has a unique role in promoting health and well-being. Spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. It's rich in iron, calcium, and magnesium, essential for maintaining strong bones and a healthy immune system. It's like a multivitamin from nature. Kale, another superfood. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, kale is excellent for your skin, vision, and overall health. Kale is full of antioxidants and helps support digestion. Its high fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy gut. Green apple provides a touch of sweetness and helps with detoxification. It's also a great source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. Ginger soothes the stomach and adds a little zing to your juice. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help reduce muscle pain and soreness. Lemon. This citrus fruit is a natural detoxifier and boosts your immune system. It's also great for skin health and can help with weight loss. Pineapple, packed with vitamin C and helps with digestion. Its enzymes can aid in breaking down proteins and improving gut health. Banana provides potassium and a creamy texture to your juice. It's also a great source of energy and helps maintain heart health. Coconut water hydrates and replenishes electrolytes. It's a natural way to stay refreshed and is low in calories, making it a perfect addition to any healthy drink. Section 5. Embrace the green revolution. Your journey to wellness starts now. See, green juice doesn't have to be intimidating. It's simple, delicious, and a fantastic way to nourish your body from the inside out. Start with one of these recipes and see how you feel. You can even get creative and experiment with your own combinations. Remember, every sip is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Section 6. A note from Rachael. Listen, we all know life gets busy, but taking a few minutes for yourself is so important. Green juice is like a mini vacation for your body. You deserve to feel your best. So grab some fresh ingredients, fire up that blender, and join me on this journey to wellness. Cheers to a healthier, happier you.